As the weather warms, some pets are spending more time outdoors. Today's question for our Pet Vet on Call comes from David. He writes, "We have a small dog who has been scratching a lot lately and licking his paws constantly. Also, when he goes outside and comes back in, he has a strong odor even after being bathed and groomed. Could it be allergies?"
Yeah, that does kind of sound like allergies, but it could also be parasites like mange or fleas, which would be great because those are completely curable. Allergies or not. You need to have this checked out because your skin's very important. It is your largest organ and it keeps you healthy by keeping the outside out and the inside in. And when it's diseased or damaged, it can't do that. So the outside gets in, bacteria, yeast, parasites. The inside comes out. You ooze proteins, you lose fluids. It makes them very, very sick, very, very miserable. You definitely want to take them in because the smell you smell, that's disease. And all your dog needs is to get rid of the itch, which can be done with a couple of shots. You need to rid the bacteria and yeast. You need to clear the parasites and restore the skin function, and you can turn that dog's life around in as quickly as 1 to 2 weeks.
Hey, thanks for the question, David. We invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to petvet@koimtv.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. Of course, you can also find answers to previous questions anytime on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, we have this adult female mastiff. She comes when called, knows the command to come and sit. Her name is Cher. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have this very playful female kitten. Her name is Edwina, or whatever you choose to call her, really. She is just a kitten. If you're looking for a pet, why not check out your local Humane Society?